This is all the work I have to do right now. I have to finish the ends. This is all I have. Good morning. Hello everyone. Hello wherever you are. So today is hair day. I have just straightened out my hair and it's time to get it fixed. So I have a 4C hair and it's kind of hard to keep up with, and I don't like blow drying my hair, but I've done some little bit of blow dry just for it to be able to comb. And today I'm going to be doing knotless braids, and I'll be doing this braids, yeah, that is the one I'll be doing, this one. So let's stay tuned and enjoy the video. The hair products I'm using are I've already shown you the braids. These are the braids that I'll be using. I have Jamaican black castor oil that I use on my scalp. It feels so good. And then I have Blue Magic. So Blue Magic helps with the hair itself when plaiting. And I have coconut oil that I used immediately after washing my hair. The box looks like that. My hair is fuzzy. If I don't put those knots, I won't be able to deal with it. So I work with body care. You can see, and I already straightened it a bit, but still. Anyway, it's fine. It's workable. So that is the texture of my hair. My hair is not very long. No, it's not long at all, but that's my hair.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlights, summer sky, it was the best we ever had.
I don't know if you can see, I will braid it all the way down like this, at least halfway, because if you can tell, my hair reaches somewhere there. So I have to go down a little bit.
It will stay on forever.
finish them today or tomorrow. But if you see a different shot, just know it's tomorrow. So I do my hair at my own pace. I don't like stress and pressure and everything. I do what I can, and what I can't, I can do it the next day. This is what I've done for today, and I'm tired. I'm going to stop right there. We shall revisit it tomorrow. This is day 2. It's very early in the morning, so today the agenda is to get the hair done. It can't go more than 2 days and done. So where we stopped, and we will finish the remaining part. So that's how I fix. I hope this one gives you a clear picture of how I do my knotless braids. People say I do it in reverse from what people do, but that's how just my hands are wired. I do it in reverse, but it just turns out okay. This is the last one remaining. Whew, I'm tired. It's been a lot of work. See? Now let's fix the last braid here.
The night's young, and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
So guys, this is done. This is all the work I have to do right now. I have to finish the ends. This is all I have. I have to finish all of this. This might take me another hour. That is how I do my knotless. I love them, they're beautiful, but I have so much work to do. You can see the parting. See the back on this side. So because I'm finishing all of it, remember I'm still using this for the braids. I will now, I just do this, oil the braids like this with the blue magic, and then we pick from here.
Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night.
I think it's too much work to finish it to the end. So what I'll do, I will get to this level up to here, and this is what I'm going to leave, and I will have to use hot water. So I'll be leaving such just a short one to put some curls that I don't know if I'll be able to do them today. So this is how I lock them, that way it doesn't get to come apart like undone. And just like that I have locked. So I'm going to do this to all of them, and then we will put curls on at the end of this. We will put hot water at the end of it. I have finished doing my braids. This is how it turned out. So like you've seen, this is for the back, this is for the front, and this is for the... So the next thing is just to braid this part alone.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So we'll do this. I'm just from putting hot water to boil. My husband is so sweet. He's making for us dinner. Oh my gosh, yeah, my husband is so sweet. He's like, you need to get that one done. You've been there for like 2 days. Anyway, yeah, he's a good person, very good husband. So this one, we braid it like this also. This one is even coming apart. So I have to fix this first before I proceed. Let me tell you, if I was in Kenya, I could have just gone to the salon and let them take care of my hair. But here in the US, it's kind of different. It's very expensive. This braids alone will be 300 plus USD. That's quite a lot of money. But I know sometimes you just need to do what you gotta do. But I felt like I have the time to do my hair right now, so why stress? Why stress? I have the time to do it. I can do it. But time will come when I might not have the time to do my hair, and I will have to give that money to someone for them to be able to braid my hair, you know? It's just right now I have the time and I can do it, so why not?
Moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
Now I have 3 of them done. Oh, my towel is soaking wet. So I have 3 of them done. So what I'll do at this point, I will just stay with this and let it drain for a bit. But remember, when the video was starting, I told you I have my Jamaican black castor oil. This is the one I use, Jamaican black castor oil. So I'm just going to go in with it real quick. Let's take down these braids. Start from the edge. Remember, you can style this hair in whatever style you want, and this is how it looks. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, and let's meet in the comment section and discuss and share ideas.